The 2019 BMW G310R is BMW Motorrad's entry-level roadster, designed to attract a wider audience, especially beginner riders and those looking for a lightweight, affordable, and versatile motorcycle. Manufactured in collaboration with TVS Motor Company, it retains BMW's engineering standards while being budget-friendly. Design and build quality. The G310R exudes a sporty and aggressive look, inspired by its elder sibling, the BMW S1000R. Its muscular fuel tank, sharp tank extensions, and minimalistic rear end give it a premium roadster appeal. True to BMW standards, the fit and finish are impeccable, with quality materials used throughout. The bike feels robust and well-built, suitable for both urban commutes and occasional highway rides. The upright seating position, wide handlebars, and slightly rear-set footpegs offer a comfortable yet engaging riding posture. The seat height of 785 mm makes it accessible for shorter riders. Performance. The 313 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine produces 34 horsepower at 9,500 RPM and 28 Nm of torque at 7,500 RPM. This reverse-inclined engine design improves mass centralization and cooling efficiency. The engine delivers smooth and linear power, making it beginner-friendly while still exciting enough for experienced riders. The performance is lively in the mid-range, ideal for city commuting and occasional spirited rides. The G310R can achieve a top speed of approximately 143 km per hour, 89 miles per hour, sufficient for most riding scenarios. With an average mileage of 30 to 35 km/L, 70 to 82 miles per gallon, it offers decent fuel economy for a performance-oriented bike. Handling and ride quality. The tubular steel frame ensures a stable and balanced ride. The low curb weight of 158.5 kilograms, 349 pounds, adds to its agility, making it easy to maneuver in city traffic. The USD front forks and monoshock rear suspension provide a plush ride, absorbing bumps effectively while maintaining good road feedback. Equipped with 300 mm front and 240 mm rear disc brakes paired with dual-channel ABS, the G310R delivers confident and predictable stopping power. Features. The fully digital LCD instrument cluster displays all necessary information, including speed, RPM, gear position, fuel level, and trip meters. While the 2019 model lacks LED headlights, added in later models, the halogen setup with LED DRLs provides adequate illumination. Michelin Pilot Street tires offer excellent grip in both wet and dry conditions. Conclusion. The 2019 BMW G310R is a well-rounded entry-level motorcycle that combines premium design, solid performance, and BMW's engineering pedigree. It's an excellent choice for riders looking for a stylish, easy-to-ride bike that balances daily usability with occasional thrills. However, for those seeking raw performance or better value, exploring alternatives like the KTM Duke 390 may be worthwhile.